4.
Tom Baylor! Well, y'all thought it was gonna be someone else. Well, hey there, rookie racers. You're parked in Lightning McQueen's Racing Academy. My bestest buddy, Lightning McQueen, done asked me to introduce him. So I put together a little thing I call Lightning McQueen, the untold story that ain't done yet been told. And here it is, singing style. Oh, I gotta push the button. Shoot, I knew that. Here's the story of a car piston cup racer, rookie star. End of the season went that far to a crazy three-way tie. Everybody say, hey, go! Hey, go! They got lost late one night, made new friends. They go, that's right. Found a new home, sunny and bright, in Radiator Springs. Trade my dog, he did not win because he chose to help a friend. Hicks won, but in the end, he's the pony champion. Everybody shout, pony! Pony! Racing, chasing, across the nation, winning piston cups. Amazing! Watch him now and listen to him. He'll teach you to race and win. Honk your horns and say it loud. Good job, good job, good job. Hit the music. Hit the lights! Make them spin! Hit the lasers! Okay, left lasers, left lasers!
Put the wheels together for second-time Piston Cup champion and Mater's best friend, Lightning McQueen!
Ka-chow! Whoa, Mater, that was some introduction.
Well, nothing's too good for my best buddy. I pulled out all the stops with lights, lasers, and smoke.
There was no smoke.
No smoke!
Thanks, Mater. Hello, everyone. Wow, what a great group of rookie racers. You know, I only figured out how to be a great racer because I had a great teacher, Doc Hudson. That's why I started this racing academy, so I could pay that forward to all of you.
Buddy,
Yes, Mater?
Doc wasn't the only one that taught you a thing or three.
That's right. He taught me how to drive backwards, how to tip tractors, how to be a great friend.
Yeah, and then you went on to win a heap of piston cups. Whee!
Now, winning is great and all, but Doc taught me at the end of the day, without your friends, it's just an empty cup. Doc's passion for racing was inspiring. If he couldn't outrace them, he would outthink them.
Ladies and gentle cars, the fabulous Hudson Hornet.
Wow. Now, to kick off today's lesson, I'm going to take a few laps on a simulator. I know what you're thinking. Simulators and I don't get along very well. Did you have to show that, Mater?
Well, it makes you more dramatical.
Yeah, but that's not going to happen this time, thanks to the tech-savvy rookie sensation and my friend, Cruz Ramirez.
Hello, everybody! After today, you'll be ready to meet it, read it, and defeat it!
Exactly! Mater, boot up the simulator.
You got it. What? Oh, gotta push the button. Wrong button.
Right. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. Here we go, rookies. Help me with the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, it's always good to start with a practice lap. Warm up your tires.
Now, when you're racing, you want to keep an eye on your tire pressure, oil level, and fuel.
Exactly. As you get started, get used to the speed for a moment and pick a line and stick to it. Uh-oh, congestion ahead. What should we do, Cruz?
Imagine a stampede and pick a window.
Just like Smokey taught us.
I just love trying to tip it. Hey, Joe.
What was that?
I didn't press nothing.
Probably a bug. I can fix this.
Sorry, rookies. I don't know how that happened.
Wait, the simulator was corrupted. I'm rebooting it now.
Got it. Okay. Now, it's important that you train on a variety of tracks. Let me show you. Select Tokyo, Japan.
Opening
Are you afraid to go for a drive because of a leaky tailpipe?
What?
I'm Lightning McQueen for leakless. Hit the trail without leaking on the trail. Not
マックイーン
this.
選手みたいになりたいならオイル漏れ防止のビッグレス
That was only supposed to air overseas. Guys, what's happening?
In our universe, there is only one race car that stands above the rest.
Doc Hudson?
One race car who is the champion of champions.
Mr. the King?
No, you know him as the greatest racer of all time.
Lightning McQueen!
No, Chick Hicks.
Oh, Chick Hicks? That's not who I was thinking of, but okay.
Hey, McLoser.
Chick, what are you doing here?
Well, I hacked into your silly simulator so I can race you and finally prove who's the best race car. Me or me?
Chick, you already beat me in a race.
Everyone says I only won that cup because you were helping the king. They say my championship was a fluke, which it wasn't. I'm here to settle this once and for all. Let's race, McQueen.
I am not racing you, Chick. We're busy training these rookies.
Oh yeah? I'll sweeten the deal. If I win, every racer here gets a huge pile of cash. Must be appropriate age and wheelbase to claim huge pile of cash. Not responsible for lost or stolen items. One huge pile of cash for winning customer. Offer not available in Orlando, Florida.
Come on, leave the rookies out of this.
I knew you were afraid to race me.
What do you rookies think? Should we race this guy?
Yeah, you can beat him.
Yeah!
Oh yes, you should race Chick, even though he's so much better. Come on, do it, McQueen.
All right, let's do this. Mater, start up the simulator.
On it.
Please select a course.
Chick Hicks Motor Speedway.
Come on, is that even a place?
It is now. All right, 3, 1, go.
Wait, I'm facing the wrong way.
That's all right. Excuse me, McQueen.
Oh, I'm driving backwards here.
Oh, that's good. Ow.
You got this, buddy. Remember, you don't need to know where you're going.
Right, I just need to know where I've been. Thanks, Mater. All right, how am I doing, everyone?
You're doing great, buddy.
Oh yeah? Because it looks to me like you're losing tire pressure.
Wait, I'm slowing down.
Check hack the system to change your stats!
Hey, that's cheating.
Don't worry, I'm activating team mode. Activating team mode.
Mr. McQueen, your tires! Guido! It's the...
Hey, Luigi, Guido, thanks.
Hey, McQueen. Looks like you really do need some leaf
My
blocks.
oil.
Oh, honey, don't worry. I got you. Top it off.
Exactly what I needed, Flo.
You know, racing with you is a real gas. Too bad you're running on empty.
How can I be out of gas?
Organic fuel to the rescue, man.
Thanks, Fillmore. You're saving the race.
There's a race?
Your loser friends aren't enough to beat me, McQueen.
You don't even know what a real friend is, chick.
Oh yeah? Well, what do you call these guys?
I've had nightmares like this. Whoa.
Time to go old school, Mr. McQueen.
Old school?
But dirt track? Who races on dirt?
Doc Hudson! Wow!
Doc, turn right to go left.
Well, that doesn't even make sense.
Does to me. Thanks, Doc.
Oh yeah, Stickers! You're making Doc proud!
Hey, thanks. All right, chick. Now it's just you and me. As Doc always said, float like a Cadillac, sting like a Beamer.
Hey, let's make some noise for Lightning McQueen.
Ka-chow.
What was that?
That's called teamwork.
You only won because you got help from your friends.
Hey, guess what? I'm his friend too.
You are?
No one messes with my whip filter. I'm coming for you.
Well, rookies, that was not how I thought this lesson was going to go. But Chick reminded me that in the end, racing isn't about speed and flash and crossing the finish line. It's about the journey you take to get there and who you've got driving alongside you.
Oh, man. I'm getting all rusty-eyed back here.
Thanks for coming out today. Consider yourselves honorary members of my Lightning McQueen racing team. Now go out there and get your tires dirty. Ka-chow!
Have a great drive, everybody!
We'll see you rookies out on